What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This time we're gonna do another video and another review of this little Chinese ATVs. After owning them for about seven or 8 years, I bought this in 2018. These are 2018 model. These are the TaoTao or Tao Motors Sports New-TForce model, 125cc engines. I have owned them since new. I bought them brand new, and a lot of people in the channel have asked me if I still have this ATVs, and they wanted to know how they've been, if they have held up enough compared to my other quads or my other dirt bikes. And the truth is, yes, these are not perfect by any means. These are obviously Chinese quads, but they're great. They're still working great. I still have the original engine on both of them, no issues whatsoever. Obviously, I have done, their maintenance regularly. I have changed the carburetor for a better one on both models. I have the PZ20, I believe that's the model. I put it down on the I put a link on the description below. Just if anyone wants to get a different carburetor, a better carburetor for these ATVs or any Chinese ATV. I also put a better spark plug cable, or I think that's, it comes with the cable all the way around to the voltage regulator. But other than that, these are pretty much stock, other than the carburetor, obviously the filter, and I just put this to carry extra gas just in case, because these ones, they don't have reserve. So once you run out, you run out. So I always have extra gas just in case. These little engines, we typically, when we go out to the desert like today, they can probably run about 3-4 hours, no problem, without finishing the gas tank. Both are the same model. The only difference is this one is the graffiti camel. This one is just the blue one. They are green sticker here in California. This one we have about 113 hours of use. And then this one has about 90. This was my daughter's. The other one was my son. They already agreed, but we just keep these bikes because when we go out with the family, we always bring extra gas. We always like to invite family or friends, and it's always nice to have an extra bike where they can ride. And since these ones are semi-automatic or fully automatic in a way, because it only has drive, neutral, and reverse, they're really, really simple. They still I still use this one when I'm teaching my little one. I have my daughter who is 3 years old. She's already jumping on this one, and then what I can do with this one, I can turn it on, or I can stop the bike remotely up to 50 yards. And that way, if I see that she's going too fast, I stop the bike. So I can start it right now. There you go. As you can hear, the bike still runs like new. This one is the upgraded version, I guess, because this one comes with the bigger tires and aluminum wheels and better suspension, front and rear. The only things that I have changed on this bike, besides the carburetors, filters, the plastic on this one time, because it was cracked. I ordered a new one, like $20, $30, I guess, and then that's it. And I'm planning on putting like LED bars right here in the front to have better visibility at night. But as you can see, this bike's still great after 7 years. So if any of you is interested in buying this type of ATVs for your little ones, and you guys are kind of hesitating because you guys probably want to go with the route of getting a used Japanese bike or a Chinese ATV brand new, it's up to you. But I think, in my opinion, for me, it has been great. I bought him, when I bought him, it was like $1,000. Now the price for this ATVs have gone up significantly. I think, you know, they're probably running around 1800 bucks up to like 2200. That's what I have seen on obviously newest model. But if you can find a bike like this with the bigger tires and improved suspension, this is a no-brainer. This Honda clone engines last forever, and then they're super easy to maintain. I only have to change the oil like every 20 hours or so, and I power wash them every time we bring them home, just to make sure that when I store them, they're super clean. I don't have to worry about anything. When I'm ready to hit the road, take them off roading again. But again, if you guys have any questions, any suggestions, leave me a note down below, and I'll try to get to it as quickly as possible. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give me a like, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.